In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your hood lift support on your Dodge Ram. It's located right underneath the hood. The process for the passenger side is the same as the driver's side. Now, before starting this job here, you want to go ahead and have one of two things: a person to help you hold the hood, or something to hold the hood while you remove this here. Most of the time, one of these here is not enough to support the hood, and you don't want that hood to come down and bonk you in the head. We're going to start with our pocket screwdriver, and right up on the back side, there's going to be a little clip. You're going to get your pocket screwdriver in there and pop this out, and then go ahead and bump the lift support out like so. With this side disconnected, we're going to repeat for the same process for the bottom here. You can put your pocket screwdriver in the back of that clip. You're going to be pulling that out. And go ahead and work that off. You're basically removing the ball from the socket unit. Inspect the pivot ball. If you want, you can put a little dab of grease on both of the pivot points here before installing the new component. I'm going to go ahead and apply some grease to this pivot here, as well as the upper one. Now, our new component has our retainer clips already installed on the top and bottom, so this is super simple. Line it up, pop it on. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the process for the upper here. Might have to lift that hood just a little bit to get this to line up. Line that, pop it on, you're all set. Go ahead and repeat for the driver's side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.